I look like a clown.
I have these lucid dreams, yeah, feel like juice world, ay, just sit up your chick.
It is 8:20. I literally have like 40 minutes to do my freaking makeup, which I can't do because I suck at time management, and I just woke up and it is a school day, so I am tired and gross, and these three annoying little rats decided to show up on my face last minute, so that's just great. I look great. Today is the last day of school before break, and I decided to do a full face of makeup and look good so people can remember how good I look before break starts and hit me up to hang out, because no one ever asked me to hang out because I don't have any friends, and no one likes me. Why am I so gross in the morning? High school is so stressful, guys. I am so sorry for like never uploading. That is because of school, because I literally suck at time management. I cannot manage my time at all. I literally spend all my time on my phone and just like not do my homework until like the very last minute at like 2 a.m. in the morning. So that's how my life is going. But I need to find a way to, you know, like finish my homework quickly so I can like edit or something or film in my free time, because I really need to do that. And I'm so sorry for not filming and uploading a lot. It's because I'm stupid and I'm just a young, dumb, broke high school kid. Like that. Also, guys, I got my triples, so I have 3 piercings. They look really gross because this earring is so fat and big compared to this small little hoop here, because I ran out of earrings, so it looks really awkward. But once it heals up and I get 3 matching earrings, y'all are gonna be over. Okay, I'm actually gonna be starting out with mascara first because I need it to dry pretty quickly. Today I'm going to be using this bad boy. This is my Lancôme Ôscillation mascara, I think it's called. It's like Ôscillation Vibrating Infinite Power Mascara, so that's pretty sick. I got this product complimentary of Lancôme Cosmetics, but all opinions are always 100% my own, guys. Y'all know that. This is so sick. I love it so much. Even though I haven't tried it, but it's like really cool. The packaging is really sleek and simple. It's just black with gold. There's the logo, and then there's like a gold top, and then this gold stripe. The best part about this is that it literally vibrates. Like, that is so weird. The brush is really nice. I really like small kind of flat brushes like that. And then when you press this button, I don't know if you can hear this, but bro, it literally vibrates. That is so cool. Curl my eyelashes first. I'm gonna try it first without it vibrating, and then I'm gonna try it with it vibrating to see if it's good or not. I always get a lot of mascara on my eyelids because they're so like close to my eyelashes, and it's just like so hard for me not to get mascara on my eyelids, so ignore that. I will get it off later. I kind of like eating one right now, but it's like kind of weird. It like shakes my eyelid, but it feels like kind of good. Like it massages it, which is like pretty sick. But overall, the mascara is pretty good. It layers really well. Some of the mascaras I use, like if you try layering it, it will literally like scrape off mascara you put on before, which is so annoying. And okay, I know a lot of people are gonna laugh at me with the way I do my mascara, but like I just cannot find a way to do it right. This mascara gives you really nice length and volume, which I really like. I'm just kind of confused. Like I don't get why there is a vibrating aspect to it. Like I don't understand how it kind of benefits it, because it didn't really do anything to my eyelashes. It kind of just massaged them a little, made them shake. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, I just did my brows and they're like uneven and gross, but what's new? I need to put concealer on and cover up all my disgusting skin. 2018 is literally like over. There's literally like a week or 2 left. I feel like this year has went by so freaking slow. I've never felt this annoyed by a year at all. I hope I have a lot of motivation for YouTube, because I'm so sorry I barely uploaded this year at all. I'm literally such a disappointment. Like I had so much time during summer, yet I barely uploaded during summer either. So I'm literally so sorry for that. I'm just a failure. Also, I really need a new shape tape. I've been using this one for such a long time, so I keep on scratching my nose. It's just so itchy because of the primer, and I put too much product on. Also, I didn't have any moisturizer, so I literally had to use body lotion, which is great because now my skin's probably gonna like turn kind of too oily and disgusting. Actually, I don't know. Is body lotion like okay to use on your face? If it isn't, I'm like stupid. Also, if I sound dead, it is because I am. Also, guys, I haven't been going to the gym in a really long time. So like now I'm literally just one big fat Oompa Loompa, and I look like one too. I feel like one all the time. But I used to be so motivated and so up with my game, and like everything was good, and I was doing well in school, and I didn't manage my time. And then high school came. Ew, I just got so much powder on my freaking phone. Oh my god. Ugh. Now I'm just gonna go straight on to foundation because I need to hurry up. Literally using my favorite foundation in the whole entire world, but I really want to try Too Faced Porn This Way because a lot of people say it's really good and has really nice coverage. But I put some on my hand at Ulta, and it literally like just like erased all the pores and hairs on my freaking hand, which was amazing. So I really want to try that out. Okay, I've been talking about everything that's been like bothering me lately, but now I'm gonna talk about happy things and think happy thoughts because that's what we're here for. We're here for a good time, not a long time. So I'm gonna talk about American Horror Story because I've been watching that show and I literally love it so much. Like a year or two ago, I watched the first 2 episodes of American Horror Story, like Murder House, and I was so scared and spooked, like I could not finish it, so I just stopped watching it. And then I've been like watching it lately again. I finished season 1 and season 2 of her Murder House and Asylum. Oh my god, they're so good. Now I'm watching COVID, and it isn't as good as Asylum. Asylum is probably my favorite season so far. It is so good, even though Murder House is also really good. It's like the one about witches, and like I like the soundtrack and stuff, but like it just, I'm not like drawn into it. Like for Murder House and Asylum, I couldn't stop watching it. Like I would watch 5 episodes a day, and I literally finished it in like a couple days. But COVID, like I just watched the first 2 episodes, and like now I'm like haven't been watching it because it's been kind of boring. And like I'm the type of person that if something like gets boring, I will literally just stop watching it. Like I stopped watching Riverdale because it was so bad and like boring and kind of gross to watch because they were so bad at acting. So I just like dropped that real quick, and I didn't even finish season 1 because it was just so bad. And also for Stranger Things, I know this is gonna sound so bad, but like I just didn't really like this first season. I watched it in a day. I finished it in a day, but then like when season 2 came out, I literally waited like until like 5 months after to watch it, and I only watched the first episode and then just stopped watching it because it just didn't draw me in, you know? I suck at finishing and watching things. But like with Asian dramas, for some reason I always seem to finish watching them. Kind of weird. Maybe I'm biased. I literally have 10 minutes. Oh my god. Guys, I've been watching so much ASMR lately, and it's like not regular ASMR. I used to watch people just like whisper and talk. I only watch food ASMR now. It's so bad. Like I literally watch 10,000 of those videos before I go to sleep, and it just calms me down and relaxes me and makes me think I'm eating even though I'm not. It makes me so hungry, but like it's so fun to watch, and I'm obsessed with it. I don't know how people like find ASMR disgusting. Like that stuff is godly. This year, like my break is so short. I get off break tomorrow, which is the 20th, and then I come back on the 2nd, which is literally like a day right after New Year's. Like what the heck, man? Can't we just have some extra time? Like recently my school had like a lockdown because like someone like threatened to bomb it or whatever, which obviously did not happen because I wouldn't be here if that happened. That's just so like messed up and disgusting to think that someone like a high school student could actually go to the store and buy guns, which is just not even a topic I'm gonna talk about. But like we had a lockdown for 3 hours and we were stuck in there with like nothing to do. My phone was about to die, and I literally had to pee in a freaking trash can, which is the most disgusting thing I've ever done in my whole entire life. It smelled really bad because other people also peed before me, so it was just like disgusting. And now we don't even get like a regular break. We have a shortened break because we have to come back to school because I just totally want to go back to that school, you know? 24/7, I'm always complaining about school, so I think I want to do eyeliner today. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna wait a while and let this bake. Okay, time to take this off. Can you guys please comment down below some good translucent powders because I'm getting so annoyed with this airspun one. I feel like I need to like blow my nose. It feels so gross. I also did some eyeliner, if you can tell. Looks kind of whack. This side looks really gross and weird, but now I think I'm going to curl my lashes and the highlight, and then I'll almost be done and I can leave and go eat food. I know it's so bad to curl my lashes after I already put mascara on, but I always do it. And my eyelashes have actually never ripped off, which is really surprising to me, but they never have, and I hope they never do. Oh my god, guys, look at that mascara. Oh my god, she's sexy. Okay, wow, that mascara is so nice. Holds up really nice. I'm gonna try this eye. This eye, my eyelashes on this eye are so disgusting. like the front part will not curl, so it always points straight down, and the middle part is longer than the outer eyelashes, which is so annoying, and it always looks really bad. So let's hope it doesn't look bad today. See, it looks so weird. Overall, I'm gonna say this mascara was actually pretty good. I actually really liked it a lot. It's good for layering and for volume. When I'm like really stressed, I've kind of found a way to relieve my stress. If I listen to really good and like moody kind of chill music, it just makes me so happy, and I feel so good listening to good music and vibing with it. So if you're having a bad day, just listen to some good ass music and everything will be okay. Okay, now I'm going to set my face and add some highlighter. I literally am bald, what the heck. I'm using the highlighter that I always use, my ABH times Emery one. This is just so beautifully made, and I just love it so much. I feel like I never wear highlight anymore. Also, I feel like I've lost my connection with makeup. I used to be so excited to do it and practice and do fun looks. Now I barely wear makeup, and the only makeup I ever wear to school is just mascara and my eyebrows. And when I do a full face, I never really do eyeshadow. I only do like eyeliner and like mascara and like falsies or whatever. Not even falsies that much. But I just hope I get back on my makeup grind next year. Let's just all hope we can go into the new year with good thoughts and happy thoughts, and that it won't be bad, you know? Let me know if you guys want another like my 2018 in Snapchats, because I did one last year and you guys liked it. I kind of want to do one this year too. I'm gonna add some white eyeliner. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this lip tint. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go change and do my hair and I'll come back. This is my outfit. Brandy Melville, PacSun, American Eagle, Thrifted, Free People, Brandy Melville, I don't know, I forgot, and yeah. Okay guys, I'm all done. I'm ready to go to school now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I love each one of you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Like she squirrel, yeah. Haters really mad cause I pull up with that girl. I'm busy, got things, yeah. Fly like a wind, no, I